Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by acting quickly. Vacuum the area and remove loose fibers so the pen ink won't spread. Next, mix 1 drop mild dish soap with 1 cup warm water and prepare a white cloth. You'll use this for blotting. Crucially, test your chosen cleaner on a hidden seam for 30 seconds and watch for color shift. If there's no change, you're ready to proceed. Otherwise, stop and choose a gentler product to avoid permanent fading. You'll approach the stain methodically. Start by blotting the soap solution onto the ink, always moving from the stain's edge toward its center to prevent feathering. Once the surface ink lifts, switch to a cloth dampened with 70% rubbing alcohol for deeper pigment. Apply briefly, then blot immediately. Make sure to alternate soap and alcohol only as needed, using fresh cloth faces each time to carry ink away rather than redepositing it. Once the ink is reduced, rinse the area with a clean damp cloth to remove soap or alcohol residues, then blot repeatedly with a dry cloth to lift moisture. Air dry naturally or speed drying with a fan. Make sure the cushion is fully dry to prevent mildew. If a faint stain persists after careful repeats, apply a targeted upholstery cleaner per its instructions, or, if fabric is delicate or color loss appears, stop and consult a professional cleaner to avoid escalating damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.